Sometimes becoming happier doesn't mean to add more things in your life. It's about letting go of the habits that quietly steal your peace. Hi, I am Akriti, and today we'll be discussing the things that I stopped doing to become happier. First of all, stop comparing yourselves to others. That is the ridiculous feeling I have ever experienced in my life. Kind of a feeling that eats you from within. You feel so bad about yourself, you get demotivated, you keep on thinking about, comparing yourselves with other people who are not worth your life. Because of all this, you keep on thinking about it, you forget about your goals, what you had to do, what you were focusing on. You forget everything and you just keep on thinking about that, right? For example, there are some people who are ahead of me, and earlier I used to keep comparing myself to others. Like, if I'm at that place, what I'm doing, they're doing a lot of in their lives. What am I doing? I'm just sitting, doing stuff which is important. And the first point is just stop comparing yourselves to others. It's your life and it's their life, so you should not think about their lives. You should only consider your life, and you're the main character of your life. So second is just stop waiting for the perfect time. Start doing the work you want to do right now. Whenever you feel to do it, at any point you feel like you should do it, you should do it. If you'll start waiting for the perfect time, you're never gonna do it, because every time is the perfect time. Just do it. Don't start postponing the tasks and things for another period. Just do it right now, because if you do it right now, you will be having a free mind and you will feel satisfied that you actually did the work. But if you keep on postponing it and wait for the perfect time, I don't think there are chances, or there are more chances, that the work will be done. Most paramount point I'm gonna say is stop pleasing people. Stop pleasing everyone around you. Stop it. Do what you like. Act how you want to act. Do things which you love to do. Just stop pleasing people around you, because that is gonna take all of your energy and waste a lot of your time, because people will never be satisfied with you. Because once a person said that is, if you are the perfect shade of blue and the other person loves green, then whatever you do, you will not be enough for that person and whosoever. So just stop pleasing. Things which makes you feel happier. Don't think about anybody else. Just put yourself into this, because it's your life and you're gonna think about yourself. And even if it is hurting people, let it, because if it is making you happier and it is the right thing to do, and you know according to the ethics and morals and everything that it is right, and your heart and mind is agreeing to that, just do it. Don't think about anybody else, what people are gonna think about you. Stop pleasing them. Stop wasting your time considering how they feel, because it's your thing. You are the main character here, and you have to think about yourself, what you like to do, what you want to do. Girl, yes, just stop being so hard on yourself. Yeah, it happens that sometimes we feel like we've wasted a lot of time, and we just do a lot of things at once and try to get ahead in your life. But that is so much harsh on yourself. So just don't bundle up things. Try to do things in a good manner, and don't be hard on yourself. It's your life. You can never be behind of anybody or anyone. So just do that thing and do what you like, and do the things whenever you feel like you should do it, because you have time to understand, to think about your own self. rather than just, participating in the rat race. And this is all I am saying because this is all what I used to feel, and I am just working on it because I feel like this is all something which is destroying my mental peace and actually making me waste a lot of time of mine, which I could invest in something good or something which will benefit me. Last but not the least is stop wasting your time on the things which does not matter to you. That is something which is very ridiculous thing I used to do, like wasting up my time in overthinking or wasting up my time in thinking about different things or doing things which actually doesn't mean anything, because that is what is wasting your a lot of time. So just don't waste your hours on something which does not matter to you. For example, for me, overthinking was something I used to do. I used to think about other people which are not even worth my life. Always before doing anything, always think about, like, is it gonna benefit you for a longer period of time, or is it something you are doing just because you feel like and it doesn't mean anything? So always think about that question whenever you do something. Either you think, either you act or do whatever you do. Just think about this question. Ask yourself this question, that is it beneficial for me? Is it going to benefit me for a longer period of time, or is it just something which is will waste my time, or it does not matter? Like, I used to, going to benefit me, or is it destroying my mental peace, or is it distracting me? So because of this, I started realizing that what matters to me and what does not matter, what is actually beneficial and productive, and what is just destroying my inner self and making me question myself. All I just want to say is, just consider yourselves ahead of everybody or the entire world. And it is not something which is selfish, it is something which is gonna make you love yourself. And when you will start loving yourself, you will start loving everybody around you. And as I've always told myself, this is my life, this is something I had to deal with, so I will consider myself first and then others, because that is what gives me comfort, and it actually makes my inner self proud. We have all experienced that when we think about others or we compare, we always feel down about ourselves. We always feel like we are not enough. And you know what that results in? That destroys the peace, the inner peace of ourselves, and that is the most haunting thing you could do to yourself. So just don't do it. Just think about yourself and think that this is your life and nobody's there, and you just have to do what you love to do and what you want to do in life to become whatever you feel like, and there's nobody, and you can take however or how much time you want, because it's your life. Day 10 of becoming better day by day, cause why not?